In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Waze app or upgrade latest version of Waze application. So grab your iPhone and let's go through this together like you're checking it right now. We'll start from the home screen. Go ahead and open the App Store on your iPhone. Once it opens up, give it a second to load so everything is visible and ready. Now tap on the search bar inside the App Store. This is where you normally look for apps. Type in Waze, then hit search. When the results come up, tap on the Waze app itself so you're taken to its main app page. Once you're on the Waze app page, take a look at the button on the right side. This part tells you exactly whether your app needs an update or not. If there's an update available for your device, you'll see a button that says Update. Go ahead and tap on Update. The app will start downloading the latest version automatically. While it's updating, you might see a loading circle or progress indicator. Just let it finish. The time it takes depends on your internet connection, so if you're on Wi-Fi it usually goes pretty fast. During this time you don't need to do anything else, just let the App Store handle it. Once the update is complete, the button will change to Open. That means the latest version of Waze is now installed on your iPhone. At this point you can tap Open to launch the app and start using it right away with the newest features, bug fixes and improvements. Now if you don't see an update button at all, and instead it already says Open when you check the Waze app page, that's actually good news. That means your Waze app is already up to date and you're running the latest version available for your device. In that case, there's nothing else you need to download or change. A lot of people get confused and think something is wrong when they don't see an update option, but seeing Open simply means you're already on the newest version. Apple only shows the update button when there's a newer version available. It's a good habit to check for updates once in a while, especially if Waze starts acting slow, freezing, crashing, or not loading maps correctly. Many of those issues are fixed through app updates, so keeping Waze updated helps it run smoothly and accurately. Also keep in mind that sometimes updates roll out gradually. That means even if a new version exists, it might not show up for your device immediately. If you don't see the update button today, you can always check again later by going back to the App Store and searching for Waze again. If you want to make sure your apps update automatically in the future, you can enable automatic app updates in your iPhone settings. That way Waze will update on its own in the background whenever a new version is released, and you won't have to manually check every time. After updating, it's a good idea to open Waze and let it fully load. This helps the app refresh its data and apply any changes properly. If Waze asks for any permissions after an update, like location access, just review them and continue as normal. If you're ever unsure whether you're on the latest version, the App Store is always the easiest place to check. Searching for Waze and looking at that update or open button tells you everything you need to know in just a few seconds. So just to go through it one more time in a smooth, natural flow, you open the App Store on your iPhone, tap the search bar, search for Waze, tap on the Waze app, and if you see update, you tap it to upgrade. If it only says open, that means your Waze app is already updated to the latest version. And that's it, that's how you update or upgrade the Waze app to the latest version on your iPhone. It's quick, easy, and keeping the app updated helps make sure you get the best performance and the most accurate navigation every time you're on the road.